to another lesson on What Is Life by George Harrison. We're going to take a look at the rhythm guitar and the lead guitar. I hope you enjoy the lesson. Let's get straight into how to play it. So here's the intro. We're starting on the D string on fret 2, fret 1, and then you move up to the A string and now 4-2, and then back to the D string for fret 1, and then back to the A string fret 4. Now on bar 2 we're going to play fret 2 on the A string, open, 2 more times, and then back to fret 2. So let's loop those 2 bars. Now the next 2 bars is the same on that 3rd bar, but the 4th bar, fret 2, open, 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 2, 4, 2. So those 3rd and 4th bars. And I'm doing this all down picks. So from the beginning. So here's the verse, and we're going to need to bar the D and the A strings at the same time. Enable us to play these fret 2s here. So it's D string, A string, D string, and then we're going to go to fret 4 on the A string, and whilst we do that we're going to move our bar to the A and E strings on the top, enabling us to play this fret 2 on the A and E strings. So do it again. So as you play fret 4, move that bar up. And we're leaving that on there for the next bit. Now fret 4, bring the 2nd finger over. Bring the 2nd finger over again. G, the D, back to the A string, and then you're back on this fret 2 on the A string, which leads you back to putting on that bar. Start again. Now the chorus is the same as the intro riff. Apart from the last two bars, which is on the D string. You're back into the verse again. Okay, so we have this E shape on the rhythm part, the bottom 3 strings, and then we have the B major part again, B major chord, and then we're going up for a C sharp major, and then we have a C sharp minor, F sharp minor, and then a G bar chord here, and then back to the D at the end. Now, so the E chord here, just 1 beat a bar, 4 beats, we've got 2 bars of that, and then we go to the B, same thing, couple of bars of that, and we have 1 bar, we move up that shape 2 frets for this C sharp major, and we go to F sharp minor. There's the shape, it's like a D minor shape on the bottom strings. And then we have a G bar chord on fret 3. So I'm going down, up, down, down, and then a D, and then that just loops around like that. So we have the chorus now, which is the same as the intro, with slightly different ending here. So we have the E, the B, A, D, okay, that last bit, I'm going down, up, down, up, and then down, down, and then straight to the B right at the end, leaving you back to the next verse. So I hope you've enjoyed the lesson. Please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'll be bringing out lessons every week, so watch out for that. Look forward to seeing you soon.